This is a short video to show how Growers Gold is applied with a power sprayer. The standard big drum available will be enough to do half a hectare at a time. First, almost fill a big drum with good quality non-chlorinated water. Then measure 10 liters of Growers Gold. Pour it into the drum and mix the solution a little. Now apply evenly to the soil over half a hectare. To be economical, you may leave the gaps between your trees or plants unsprayed. However, we suggest to spray your whole area, and in the gaps you can grow cover crops. These can then be cut and applied to the root areas of your trees or plants, adding important organic matter and nutrients. This approach also serves to reduce weed issues and makes maximum use of your land. Always use clean equipment free of chemical residues. Apply in the cool part of the day. Use up all the solution you have mixed that day. For best results, apply organic matter to your soil after applying Growers Gold, as this is very beneficial. For plants with good health, apply every couple of months. For plants or soil showing poor health, apply as often as every few weeks until improvements are showing. For heavy harvesting crops where you want to get a lot of produce for the area, also apply more often.